Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with KKST, let us know about the differences between sum and sum-x. First, let us know in detail about these two functions. First, sum. Sum is a function in that it adds all the numbers in a column. Syntax for this function is sum and column. The column contains the numbers of the sum. It returns a decimal value. While coming to sum-x, it returns the sum of an expressions evaluated for each row in a table. Syntax is sum-x, table and expressions. The table containing the rows for which the expressions will be evaluated and the expression to be evaluated for each row of the table. Let us see this with an example. So, this is the sales table we have. Let us create a measure. Go to sales details, right click and click on new measure. Let us add the new measure, total sales. Total sales equal to, let us call the function sum and table sales details. Sales details. Total sales price. Close the bracket and create enter. This is the sum function. The values of the multiple rows are grouped to form a single summary value here. Here the sum of the all the values of the multiple rows are grouped. This is sum function, and let us create another measure for sum-x function. Let us say total profit by total profit by loss equal to, let us call the function sum-x. Sum-x sales details. We have to first write the table sales details, comma, sales total discounted price, total discounted sales price minus, we don't need to call column again, total cost price. Close the bracket. This is the sum-x function. The main difference between sum and sum-x function is the sum function is an aggregate function and sum-x is an iterated function. In database management, an aggregate function is where the values of the multiple rows are grouped to form a single summary value, while iterated functions evaluate logic at every single row of a table that you place inside the function. It is like calculated column. The iterated functions moves row by row through the table to perform calculation and return the data we need, and that aggregate it once done. This is the main difference between sum and sum-x. Thank you.